Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Subaru Forester cabin air filter. First, ensure you have a new filter and a small flathead screwdriver ready. Begin by opening your glove box and removing everything inside to give yourself ample working space. Next, look for two small clips, one on each side of the glove box near the bottom. These clips hold the glove box in place. With your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry the two clips inward. They should release with a gentle push, allowing the glove box to swing down completely. This action will reveal the cabin air filter housing, which is usually a rectangular plastic box. You'll see two small tabs on this housing cover. Simply unclip these tabs to remove the cover and expose the old filter. Before you pull out the old filter, take a moment to observe the airflow direction arrow printed on its side. This is crucial for correct installation. Now, gently slide the old, often dirty, filter straight out of its housing. With the new filter in hand, make sure its airflow arrow points downward, then carefully slide it into the slot until it's fully seated. Once the new filter is in place, reattach the filter housing cover, making sure both tabs click securely into position. Next, lift your glove box back up and gently push the side clips until they snap back into their original slots, holding the glove box firmly. Give it a quick check to ensure everything is secure. Your car's air quality will be much better now. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.